right, let's look at DLR Tuesday, helpful hints. So number one, we are looking for an intensive pronoun. So an intensive pronoun um, refers to our antecedent, who are what our sentence is about, and it adds self or selves to our sentence. So all of you will need to raise money. What? Well, we're talking about all of you. So we need a pronoun to include everyone. Therefore, you should have that pronoun and then add self or selves, more than one person, and that is your answer. Which of the following can be minute? Minute meaning extremely, extremely tiny. So choose which three can be extremely tiny. Number three, you're coming up with words that have chrome in it. So all your words should begin with chrome, Chrom, okay? So you should have chrome or like chromosome or other words that mean color. Number four, you are looking for the vague pronouns. So first, if you don't know what one is vague, you should look for all the pronouns that are in your sentence. So Chen told her sister that she really liked her new shoes. Well, we have her for her sister, which is not vague because we know we're talking about Chen's sister. We have that she really liked her new shoes. Well, so who bought new shoes? Well, we're not sure. So her is going to be what our vague pronoun is, so you need to take that out and make it more clear. And number five, a pecan is to a nut. Well, a pecan is a type of nut, so you are choosing what type of um, answer has that same connection. All right, good luck.